The journey for the beautiful Kedarkantha peak commences from the city of Dehradun. From Dehradun, it's a long drive to Sangri, located at an altitude of 6,400 feet, and it takes about 10 hours to reach. It's a distance of 220 kilometers from Dehradun. We reached Sangri in the evening. Sangri is a quiet and beautiful village in the Govind Pashu Vihar National Park. The next day morning, we started our trek at 9 am after a healthy breakfast. It took us around 5 hours to reach our campsite Jodaka Talab. Jodaka Talab is a frozen lake at 9,600 feet, and luckily for us, we had our campsite right in front of the lake. The tents were on twin sharing basis, and we were provided sleeping bags for the night. It was my first experience sleeping on a snowy surface, and as expected, it was not a pleasing experience. The trek today was fairly easy. We were to gain an altitude of 1,500 feet over a distance of 2 to 3 kilometers. The view from the Kedarkantha base camp was surreal. This certainly is the most beautiful thing about treks. You have these stunning sky-high mountains, beautiful blue skies with clouds just a touch away. We spent the day witnessing the beautiful landscape nature has to offer. We started climbing at 3 am to the summit. I was both nervous and excited. It was my first summit trek, and the idea of witnessing the world from a mountain peak was exhilarating.